Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the latest version of XAMPP on your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser and here on the search option just search XAMPP, click it to open, and here is the first link is XAMPP installer and download for Apache friends. Just click that option and scroll down a bit, and here you can see the download, and after that you can see different types of XAMPP for different operating system, Windows, Linux and OS. So this is the latest version 8.2.112 with PHP 8.2.12. so I'm gonna click it because I am downloading it for Windows. It will start automatically to download. If it's not starting automatically, just click this one, click here and scroll down, and here you can see download latest version, the same version that we previously saw. But as you can see, the download is automatically started, so I'm gonna cancel it because I already downloaded the file. So after that, go to the folder option, click the show in folder. After finishing the download, I'm going to minimize the browser, and here it is, the exe file of XAMPP, the latest version. To install it, just double click it. You can see the installer is already opening. Here is a warning sign. It's nothing to worry, just click OK. And the setup is here. Welcome to XAMPP setup wizard. Click next, and here is all the components. Like you can see, all the components are selected. It will install with the application, so I'm gonna keep it as it is, the default one. So click next again, and you can change the folder, the destination folder, but I'm gonna keep that on my C drive and select next. And you can also change the language, but English is preferable for most of us, so click next and click next. And here we go, the installation process has begun. So all we have to do is just simply wait. The installation is already over, and it's the Windows Defender firewall has blocked some feature of this, but we are going to allow access. As you can see, the installation is complete, and we are going to click the finish option here. And you can see the XAMPP is working fine. The Apache and the MySQL is you can select the start option, click the start, and start using the XAMPP. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you on the next one.